The 2026 Peugeot Motorhome has arrived, and it's not just another RV, it's a statement of style, comfort, and performance that redefines what luxury travel means on wheels. Peugeot has always been known for its sleek European design and refined engineering, but this motorhome takes that philosophy to an entirely new level. Whether you're a traveler looking for the perfect home on the road, or simply an auto enthusiast curious about how Peugeot is stepping into the luxury RV segment, this review is for you. So let's get into every detail: exterior, interior, performance, and of course, the price. From the outside, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome immediately catches your eye. The design is bold yet elegant, blending modern Peugeot styling cues with the commanding presence of a full-sized luxury RV. The front fascia carries Peugeot's signature grille, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights that give the motorhome a futuristic touch. Aerodynamics have been carefully considered, which is rare in vehicles of this size. Smooth body lines and sculpted contours reduce drag, improving efficiency while giving it a sleek, almost automotive look rather than the boxy appearance we're used to in traditional motorhomes. The wheels are large alloy designs that perfectly complement the vehicle's stance, and the two-tone paint options, including premium metallic finishes, add a premium flair. At the rear, you'll notice Peugeot's signature three-claw LED tail light design carried over into this motorhome, tying it back to the brand's design language. With its panoramic windows, retractable awning, and integrated lighting accents, the Peugeot Motorhome doesn't just look like a travel vehicle, it looks like a luxury yacht on wheels. Now stepping inside is where Peugeot has really pulled out all the stops. The interior of the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome feels more like a 5-star suite than a recreational vehicle. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted with a spacious open-plan layout, finished with premium materials like real wood veneers, brushed aluminum trim, and high-quality leather upholstery. The lighting system is fully customizable with ambient LED strips that let you set the mood, whether you want a cozy evening glow or a bright, modern atmosphere. The living area features plush recliner seating with built-in massage functions, and the large smart TV seamlessly integrates into the wall, popping out at the touch of a button. The kitchen is a chef's dream, fitted with a full-sized induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a refrigerator that rivals what you'd find in a modern apartment. Peugeot has incorporated smart technology throughout, meaning you can control appliances, temperature, and even lighting directly from a touchscreen panel or through a smartphone app. There's also an integrated coffee machine, because what's luxury without your morning espresso on demand? Moving to the bedroom, you'll find a king-sized bed with memory foam mattresses and climate-controlled bedding for the ultimate in sleeping comfort. The panoramic skylight above the bed allows you to fall asleep under the stars. The bathroom continues the theme of luxury, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and premium fixtures that make you forget you're in a vehicle at all. Peugeot has also thought about storage, with cleverly integrated compartments and walk-in closet options that ensure long trips are both practical and comfortable. But this motorhome isn't just about looks and comfort, Peugeot has engineered it to perform as well. Under the hood, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome is powered by a hybrid drivetrain that combines a powerful turbocharged diesel engine with electric motors, delivering both efficiency and performance. This setup allows the motorhome to cruise effortlessly on highways while still providing enough torque to handle mountainous terrains. The hybrid system also means reduced fuel consumption compared to traditional motorhomes, making it a more sustainable choice for long journeys. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on rougher roads, and Peugeot's latest driver assistance technologies are all included. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system to make maneuvering this large vehicle far less intimidating. For those who value off-grid travel, Peugeot offers an optional solar roof package with high-capacity batteries, enabling you to power your motorhome without relying on external hookups for days at a time. Driving the Peugeot Motorhome is surprisingly easy thanks to its advanced steering system and responsive braking. The cabin is quiet, insulated from road noise, and the driver's cockpit is designed with the same attention to ergonomics as Peugeot's premium cars. A large digital instrument cluster gives you all the information you need, while a heads-up display ensures you never take your eyes off the road. There's even an autopilot function for highway cruising, which takes the stress out of long-distance drives and makes your journey as relaxing as your destination. Of course, all this luxury and innovation comes at a price, and the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome sits firmly in the premium segment. The base model starts around $250,000, which already includes a generous amount of luxury features. However, with upgrades like the solar package, premium entertainment system, custom paint options, and advanced driver assistance packages, the price can climb to around $320,000 fully loaded. While that may sound steep, it's worth remembering that this is not just a vehicle, it's essentially a luxury home and car combined, designed to deliver unforgettable travel experiences with all the comfort you'd expect from a high-end apartment or hotel suite. When you compare it to competitors in the motorhome market, Peugeot's offering comes across as both innovative and competitively priced for what you're getting. The 2026 Peugeot Motorhome proves that Peugeot is ready to challenge the established players in the RV industry by offering something unique. It blends French design flair with cutting-edge technology and the kind of comfort usually reserved for stationary luxury homes. For those who love to travel but don't want to compromise on luxury, this motorhome is a game-changer. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Imagine hitting the open road with all the conveniences of home, cooking gourmet meals, sleeping on a king-sized bed, and watching the sunset through panoramic windows, all while knowing you're driving one of the most advanced and stylish motorhomes in the world. So, if you're looking for a vehicle that delivers style, comfort, performance, and technology all in one package, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome is definitely worth considering. Peugeot has redefined luxury travel with this model, and it's going to turn a lot of heads on the road. That wraps up our detailed review, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Road Roar for more luxury vehicle reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this motorhome on your next adventure, or is there another luxury RV that's caught your eye? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.